Hi, so let us discuss now how to enter basic math formulas using Excel. Okay, so we'll use the four basic math operators. We have plus sign for addition, minus sign for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, and slash for division. So let's discuss first the steps on how to enter formulas in Excel. First step, click the cell in which you want to enter the formula. Step 2, type the equal sign followed by the constants or cell reference and operators that you want to use in calculation, and then press enter key. Let us now apply. So given here the two sets of numbers. So on column A, I have number 1. On column B, I have number 2. So to get the sum of these two numbers, so first step, click your cell cursor here wherein you want to enter the formula, and take note that a formula should always starts with equal sign. So press the equal sign, click your first number or your first cell reference, that is A3, then press the symbol math operator, that is plus sign, then click your second number, that is B3, then press enter key. Okay, so if you want to add the remaining rows, so you don't need to enter the formula one by one. All you have to do is to copy this formula that you have entered already, simply by position your cursor on the lower right corner of this cell and then drag it downward. Okay, so as you can see, it automatically added the remaining rows. So let us check the formula by simply double click the cell. So you can see I have 8 plus B8. Same with other rows. So I have A13 plus B13. Okay, so to subtract, the same procedure, press equal sign, click your first number. So this time minus your second number, press enter key. Okay, then to subtract the remaining rows, same procedure, position your mouse pointer on the lower right corner, then drag it downward. Okay, so here, then to multiply, equal sign again, press your first number. So this time, asterisk, we'll use asterisk to multiply. Then click your second number, that is in B3, press enter key. Then position your mouse pointer again in the lower right corner, drag it to copy the formula. Okay, so to divide the numbers, so equal sign, first number, click your first number, slash, then click your second number, press enter key. So drag again to copy the formula. Okay, so that's it. So